Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. My name is Dan and I'm a filmmaker and photographer based in the UK, and in this video I'm going to be going through some of the creative apps I use on a regular basis on my iPad Pro. So for me that's art, photography and film related things, anything in those categories really. First app on my list is Notion, which is my favourite productivity app. I use it to pretty much organise everything in my life. Video ideas, shot lists, scripts, books I like to read, and even shopping lists. It just keeps everything in your very own personal Wikipedia of information just for you to curate with your ideas and inspiration. Plus, you're able to access it through all your devices, whether it be your desktop computer or your mobile phone. I've only just dipped my toe into this app, so I know you can do so much more with this, and there are a ton of videos out there all about it online. Next up is Lightroom. I use this app a lot to tweak my Instagram posts. I have a little dongle on my iPad so I can transfer the raw files from my SD card or hard drive so I can edit straight away. Plus, because I use the Adobe Creative Cloud, these photos will also sync to the cloud so I can continue editing these photos on multiple devices like my Mac or PC. It's also nice to be able to edit my photos using the Apple Pencil, and that leads me on to the next app, which is Photoshop. Here I do all my retouching to my photos. I use it to clean up skin and remove unwanted objects and things like that. Again, I can continue editing these files on my computer if needed, but I do like using the Apple Pencil for tidying up parts as it's way more accurate than using a mouse. Most features that I would use on the desktop version are available on the app, but if it's not, I tend to just jump over to the computer and do it on there if I need to. My photos are most likely going to be reviewed on a mobile device anyway, so it's nice to edit my photos on the iPad because of the similar display. Quick tip of the day, grab yourself a paper screen protector if you're using the Apple Pencil a lot. When drawing or taking notes, it really does feel much better than the feel of a glass screen. The cover gives you just the right amount of friction to make it feel like you're writing or drawing on paper. It's easy to install and very simple to clean. If you're gonna grab one, help your friend Dan out by clicking the link to the description below. Next on the list is a teleprompter app, the key ingredient to make sure I don't go off on tangent when recording these videos. I made a wooden teleprompter out of a picture frame and a few bits of timber and cloth, and it works perfectly for all my YouTube video needs. I write my script out in Notion, then copy and paste it into the teleprompter app, put it in mirror mode, whack it into my homemade teleprompter, and it works like a charm. A digital slate. When syncing multiple cameras with audio stems from live music performance videos, I make sure to use this app at the beginning of each take. Not only does it help me keep track of each take when editing, but also provides an audio beep to sync all the cameras in post. Sure, you can clap, but it looks way more professional using this app, and you can add additional notes to the board too. Procreate is probably the best drawing app on the iPad in my humble opinion. In no way do I utilise it to its full potential, but I love adding hand-drawn text to some of my Instagram posts. And this app creates a time-lapse animation for my drawings that I can then export straight away without having the need to edit the file in a separate video editing software. It's all ready to go straight from the app. There is a link to all the accessories I use with my iPad in the description below, so if you feel like grabbing some gear, it would be awesome if you can click those links, as it helps me fund this little channel. Quick tip number 2, if you're like me and like to listen to some tunes while editing photos, and if you have a pair of Apple EarPods and want to quickly pair them to your iPad, install shortcuts to your side dock widgets and find the Create Audio Setup option by searching for it in the Shortcuts app. Make sure you've already paired your earpods to the iPad before you do this, and then select your earpods. Now every time you want to pop the earpods on, just hit that little shortcut button to instantly pair them up. No more faffing around with your Bluetooth settings and selecting them. One button and you're done. Short and sweet one today. If you like this video, you know what to do. Turn that thumb blue, consider subscribing if you like to. Thanks so much for watching, and I shall hopefully see you in the next one.